So this is how we store ratchets in the truck. We have steak barrels. So the long parts of the ratchets, I don't like to be over here. They need to be cut off right there so that it doesn't end up in the steak barrel. So we will store the short parts right here above the steak barrels, and the long parts we do a loop so through like so. So everything is nice and neat, readily accessible. We also have a milk crate up here with things like WD-40, cleaning supplies, other things that are just kind of needed on a day-to-day basis.